We recently conducted a practical electronics workshop at Makerspace, and we are thrilled to share the experience with you.
My name is Pankaj and I am final year undergrad student in electrical engineering. This workshop was a very incredible experience for me.
We are from COVID batch, so all our labs went online. So we were like, we will go out of BTech without actually understanding all this stuff. Finally, we can go out satisfied, like we have done something.
Yeah, at least we can say. I was newbie to all those stuff, but the instructors here were very fantastic, being it Mahendra sir, Utkarsh sir.
We designed this workshop in such a way that the students from any background, from all the skill levels can come and learn the electronics, and then they can start, they can use that knowledge and start their journey in electronics.
The workshop started with the basics of electronics, where the participants gained a practical understanding of commonly used components in electronics, including ICs. They made various circuits on the breadboard, followed by a deep dive into Arduino and programming. The next task was to design and fabricate PCBs using designing software and fabrication machines at Makerspace. After that, they assembled the PCBs using a reflow oven and soldering stations. Finally, PCBs were programmed to connect it to the internet to gain an understanding of IoT.
I could never imagine that I would attend this kind of workshop where I would really do things from my hands, and I come from computer science background and from software industry. So this is really I would say I really enjoy it. The team is really helpful, and I am thankful to you guys. Thank you so much.
जो भी वर्कशॉप में बताया गया वो काफ़ी अच्छा था और नई नई चीज़ें कॉन्सेप्ट सारे आसानी से समझ में आए. लाइक मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा सबको कि अगर आपको मौका मिले तो ज़रूर अटेंड करेगा.
From basic to everything it has been captured in this. और मोरली से प्रैक्टिकल वाला बहुत ज़्यादा था, तो उसमें पीसीबी डिज़ाइन, सोल्डरिंग और कंपोनेंट असेंबली, सो हर चीज़ इसमें सिखाया गया है बहुत अच्छे से.
और मेरे को जितना इजी लगा और जितनी अच्छी तरीके से मेरे को समझाया गया, मेरे को काफ़ी सही लगा.
मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट था, बट कैसे स्टार्ट करना था, कैसे प्रैक्टिकल यूज़ करते हैं, वो उसके लिए मैं ढूंढ रहा था. तो लाइक काफ़ी मज़ा आया और बहुत सारी चीज़ सीखी.
And the workshop is very intensive. I really liked it.
This workshop kick-started something in me, and I'm really interested to learn a bit more and include all of this in my research.
We believe that hands-on experience is the best way to learn. From building basic circuits to creating interactive gadgets, the possibilities are endless, and we are proud to have played a role in our participants' journey.